In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the jellyfish pet in Hypixel Skyblock. So there's two rarities that you can get the jellyfish pet, and that is epic rarity and legendary rarity. But there are officially two ways to get the jellyfish pet, and the first way is by going into the auction house and buying it from there. Just quickly show you how much it's worth today. This is probably the easiest method to do it. Just click on the auction house and click in, and as you can see, just sort by lowest price and buy it now. As you can see, a level 1 jellyfish will cost you around 11 million coins. The second way for you to get it is also an Ironman friendly way to obtain the pet. The way you do it is by going to the dog auction, which happens every 3 Skyblock days, which translates to about 1 in-game hour. And that is basically how you can get the jellyfish pet in Hypixel Skyblock. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!